I could explain market failure to you over lunch, but put me in front of an exam paper, oh, I freeze. That was my problem. I understood the content, but I just didn't know how to answer the question. My essays will come back with like lacks economic rigor, but I had no idea what and how to fix it. But here's what I actually needed: content revision and someone to teach me how to write under exam conditions. And that's what the June Intensive Pack does. The first 2 days cover 8 core topics across micro and macroeconomics. That's 12 hours of structured content revision. And you get a hard copy of the Express guidebook delivered straight to your door. And you get to keep the recorded video lessons all the way until your A levels. Day 3 and Day 4 are essay and CSQ bootcamp days. So that's 10 essay questions and 8 full case studies. You attempt them, practice them under timed conditions, and then Mr. Toh will go through them question by question, telling you exactly what the examiner is looking for. I did more guided practice in those 2 bootcamp days than I did in the entire school term. But it's not just drilling. You actually learn how to structure your answers, write evaluations, and break down question requirements. That's what moved my grade. Oh, and the tutor who designed this entire program, he's the one who wrote the answers for the TYS series. You're learning the examiner's standard, not just someone else's interpretation of it. So, if you have no plans for your June holidays, check out the June Intensive Pack right here.